Kabseh is a delicious Arabian dish. Let's make it together. Sauté the chopped onions in a little oil, then add the onion spices, powdered spices, and the spices for the chicken mentioned in the description. Next, add the tomato paste, fry for a bit, and to enhance the color of the tomato paste, add a little water. Add the chicken and lightly brown both sides. Then add boiling water, cover, and let it cook over medium heat for 45 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Remove the chicken and dried limes from the pot. Now, add the soaked rice to the mixture of water and spices, and let the water slowly evaporate. Once the rice has tiny holes on the surface, cover the pot with a towel and cook on low heat for 30 minutes until the rice is done. Marinate the chickens with the mixture of oil, tomato paste, and saffron, then grill them in the oven. Finally, serve the rice in a dish, place the chicken on top, and garnish with fried onions and chopped parsley. Enjoy your meal.